In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your website button styles using the Site Styles panel in Chrome. To get started, look inside your page preview area and find the floating paintbrush icon near the upper right side of the canvas. This icon opens your Site Styles controls, which is where you can make global design changes that apply across your site. Go ahead and click it to open the styling panel. Once the panel is open, navigate to the Buttons section. This is the area where all your button styling options are grouped together. Selecting this section lets you control how buttons appear throughout your site, which is especially helpful if you want a more polished and consistent design without editing each button one by one. Inside the button's settings, you'll see three button style categories: primary, secondary, and tertiary. These represent different button levels used across your site. Primary buttons are usually the most important actions. Secondary buttons support those actions, and tertiary buttons are often used for less prominent interactions. Choose the button category you want to edit first. Now begin adjusting the visual settings for that button style. You can change the base shape to match the overall feel of your website. For example, you might prefer sharp corners for a clean and modern look, rounded edges for a softer style, or a pill-shaped design for something more friendly and bold. You can also update the outline or border thickness to make the button feel lighter or more defined. Next, customize the text appearance. Adjust the typography weight so the label feels easier to read and better match to your brand. Then review the padding settings, since spacing inside the button affects both comfort and appearance. Well-balanced padding can make a button feel more professional and easier to click. If available, also refine the hover transition effects so the button responds smoothly when someone moves their cursor over it. Subtle motion can make the interface feel more interactive without being distracting. After that, return to the Site Styles area and go into the color settings. From there, assign matching background colors and text colors for each button type. Make sure the contrast between the button background and the text is clear enough for readability. This is important not only for design consistency, but also for usability. Repeat these styling decisions as needed for primary, secondary, and tertiary buttons so all three levels work well together visually. When everything looks right, click Save to apply your changes. That's it. Your button styles are now updated across